To do this effect, all you simply have to do is just to drag the video that you want to use to your timeline. Okay, so you can get this video on Excel or any video that you've shot yourself, and you want to add on to this text icon right here, text, then drag the text onto your timeline. Then you want to make it the length of your video like that, and you want to edit your text. Just come over here, and now that I have text right here, then I'm going to change the font to something like Honest Big. You can use any font that you want, and I'm just going to adjust the text to wherever I want it. Let's say I want it right here. Let me just put it here like this in front of this man right here. So once you have that ready, then the next thing you want to simply do, highlight both clips together. Highlight both of these clips, then you right click, then you create compound clip. Now that we have the compound clip created, you want to add the media again, the raw footage again onto, you want to drag it as an overlay on top of the video. Now the next thing you're going to simply do, just come over to cut out, then click on auto cut out. Now it is going to cut out the whole video. All right, so now it is done auto cutting. Then if I play this right now, this is what we have. So that's how to create this amazing effect. If you're able to create the effect, make sure you like the video, and also if you have any issue, make sure you drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to every of your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.